So if you have the most expensive plan on Higgsfield, you can create a team. And so I'm going to show you where you can actually find this. So to do that, go ahead and over personal on the upper right, and here you can find the option to create your own team. Once you click on that, it's going to tell you that you need to at least get the Teams Pro plan, or you need to get the enterprise plan, right? For this, you'll have to contact Higgsfield, but for the team plan, you can just pay $49 right here. This is per seat basis, so you can upgrade your account right here, and you'll be able to do that as you can see right here. So that's it. So also, guys, if you're in your account and you want to, and you go to subscription, you can see your current subscription that you have, and you can click and upgrade. And so while doing this, you have more options. So here is the ultimate one that I have. I'm gonna just do monthly right here, so you can see the payments. And from here, you can see what you get, for example, with the creators. Now, whichever one you choose, right, you can always go ahead and add team, but you have to pay for the members. As you can see, you go to personal, click and create your team. And so it's going to want to try to, let's say, charge you for the seat. They call it seat. And you can have it from 3 to 15 members, right? So you'll have to pay at least, this is the monthly rate, and this is the yearly rate you get per seat for a person. And so that's it. You pay for that, and then you can create your team, add the person, and you can just basically collaborate with a person. But that's it.